welcome back to another amazing video. We're going to do something really easy today. We're going to make some bolognese. Now in this bolognese, I'm going to give you 3 of your daily serving of 5 vegetables, right? This is so easy to make. What we're going to do, we're going to make this kids friendly as well, so they're not going to taste, hopefully, none of the vegetables, right? Now normally we use, before this lifestyle, would normally use like beef. But we're not going to use no beef. We're going to be using the lentil peas. If you have, you can crush tofu and use it in there as well. You can use veggie mince. But I did not want to do that. I wanted to keep it pretty simple for you guys. You can use mushroom, guys. Any vegetable that is available to you, please feel free to use anything that is available to you, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to get started in peeling our carrots and prepping our vegetables. And remember, bolognese is an excellent way to get in all of your vegetables in your diet, right? And remember, the lentil peas is very versatile. It absorbs any flavor you flavor it with. So, you know, just flavor it up and to your liking and make it excellent in taste, right? I think we don't need more than 1 carrot, guys. I have celery here. Same thing goes for the celery. You chop it up fine. When you have your dark green leafy vegetables, all you have to do sometimes is just add the leaf to whatever you're doing, right? You don't have to throw it away and use the stalk. That don't make any sense. Just try find ways to use up the entire vegetable, right? So if you're doing your soup, just add everything in there. You get nutrients from all angles. And our mushroom will add texture to our bolognese, which is why I'm using it. Going in with around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. What we're going to do now is to sweat our vegetables, right? So we're going in with some bay leaf to release those flavors. Adding in also our garlic, thyme, and just a quick little tip, guys. If you meal prep, this is an excellent meal to take to work as well. Very easy to make. But in the meantime, we're going to add our onions, and I also use 2 different onions just for the depth of flavors. We're going to add our carrot as well, so everything can go and sweat out until I add in the rosemary. So you want to make sure your heat is all the way down. Okay, you don't want these to burn, but you want them to just sweat out properly. So what we're going to do, we're going to cover your pot, right? Alright, so with our rosemary now, you're just going to hold it and just strip it off. Because since I don't have enough fresh herbs, I'm going to be using the rosemary. I found this in the garden. And again, you can use any herb that you have available. So I want to give these a little chop. And guys, I forgot to tell you that I made my own tomato sauce. All I did was to just cook it out in the pot just to take off that acidic taste of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to the pot in a short while. You'll see that some of it is chunky and really that's not a problem. The vegetable, you need to sweat them for around 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to add our rosemary now. And the other. Okay, so now that our vegetables are sweat out a little, we're going to add some tomato paste. Or lentils. I've reserved the water from the lentil peas, so I'm going to add it now. As well as some salt. Remember, you can always taste it along the way to see if it's okay for you. We're going to add in some dry herbs now. Marjoram. I have here some chives. Oregano. Add in also our tomato sauce. If you have the canned one, guys, go right ahead and use it, alright? You can just rinse it. And don't worry about the chunky one. They'll cook out, right? We want to leave this to cook for 45 minutes or so. Alright guys, you can see that everything bubbling away. What we're going to do now is to just add our mushroom and some vegetable broth. Guys, I'm telling you, this is smelling so good. I did not point out earlier that I had 80% cooked the lentil peas, so don't cook them out all the way because you know we're still going to cook them now and we don't want them to mush out, right? So they still need to simmer down some more. So add in our mushrooms, vegetable broth, going in also with some dry peppers, not a lot, so we can leave those flavors to come together. I know you wonder now I don't put on the spaghetti, but it's a surprise. That's why I never mention it, right? So just give me a few minutes guys and then I come back and show you what's going on. Alright, so the little hidden ingredient that we're going to use, we're going to spiralize the sweet potato. So for the persons who don't want to have any spaghetti, flour-based spaghetti or gluten-free, now this one is a great alternative. So if you don't have a spiralizer, maybe you can chop them up fine with the knife. You'll see. Alright, so first we're going to start by peeling off the skin. I did this the other day, I tell you, say it's so nice and easy to cook. And of course the bolognese is already packed with depth of flavors. Oh my god. And you don't have to have it with this, you can have it with, it can be the base for other stuff, right? So to use the spiralizer, what I do is to just I'm using the, let me tell you which head I'm using. The 3M. So I'm gonna attach the potato inside it and just get my noodles on. You know, potato is a little harder to spin because it's all. But you see your noodles coming on pretty nice, right? Alright, going in with like a 2 teaspoons of oil. Make sure your pot is really hot. And then we're going to just go in with our sweet potato noodles. And you don't want to spin them up too much, you don't want to break them up, right? And guess what we're going to do now? Just add some salt. And just toss it about. And if you want to turn it, just gently turn them. Right? You can see they're already changing color, some of them there. Telling you guys, dinner today, fabulous. And if it gets too dry, what you can do, just go like this and just sprinkle a little water in there. Yes, man. But always keep moving the pot. You don't want it to become too crunchy, like fry, right? And if they're not cooking fast enough, what you can do is just trap the heat in there with a pot cover, and in no time it cooks, right? You can notice some of them is a brighter yellow color. Those are the ones that are ready, but we still have some that are more lighter in color. Those are the ones that are that still need to cook some more, right? Bolognese over there coming on so nicely. I turn on the heat way down because you can see that the reduction is good. So we still want it, we don't want it to be chunky and clumpy, right? We still want to have gravy. See that? Easy meal to prepare, no rush. Get yourself a nice fantastic meal at the end, I'm telling you. Alright, this is it now, guys. Let me share it out and show you how everything look. Here we go. Our nice spaghetti. And we're going to add our nice bolognese. Oh my gosh. Guys, I tell you, so nice. Remember to remove your bay leaves as well. Don't think you need nothing more than this, guys. Honestly, looks nice, healthy, easy to make. I can't stop stressing that, guys. I hope you give it a try. Let me know, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.